Hello everyone, my name is OJ Lopez and I'm the founder and CEO of Riverstock.com. We're a product startup based in the Philippines and we are helping realtors and agents, empowering them for their visuals and images so they will be able to sell the properties faster. This is from your basic photos and videos, those TikTok videos, YouTube shorts. All you need to do is to send out that to our platform, and then there will be creatives in the Philippines that will be able to process that, post-produce that, and because of the nighttime difference, right? It's going to be daytime there and nighttime here, so there will be overnight delivery for all the media aspects that you would need to sell your real estate faster. So there are a bunch of competitors in the market, but I think Rema Staff